What is up, YouTube? We are back here with another opening of some new stuff. We found the new Lunchbox Vivid Voltage Darkness Ablaze. Whatchamacallit. Let's get into that. We've got
a little Target run.
And some of the Unified Minds reprints. I believe this is
because we like these little evolutions. I love evolutions.
Yes. So my brother says I always have the hot hand. I told him you open them all. Let's find out what's in the ball. Let's get it going.
What's in the ball? What's in the ball?
Something good, baby.
Come on, man. Every time I open one, I'm getting the bammers and he's getting the bangers, and ain't none of this right. Alright, it's time to rectify this situation. Come on. Hold up. There we go. Alright, what we got up in here? Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows, Evolutions. There he is. He's in there. He's in there, guys, isn't he? Alright. There's that one again. We only got about 20 of them. Alright. Set up that shot again. Alright, these guys all crammed up in here. Alright, let's do Sun and Moon. Open them up. Sun and Moon, we pulled the 4.
Yes.
Turn and burn, baby. Energy, Dart Tricks, Alone Eradicate, Wishy-Washy. That's what these packs be, wishy-washy. Young Goons, Torkoal.
Young Goons.
Whatever it is. Litton, Stuffle, Eevee. Everybody loves Eevee. What do we got? Sandygast and Shiinotic. Alright. Derp. Derp. Alright. Burning Shadows. We're waiting on that one. What kind of amateur hour is this? Energy, Wobbuffet, Wick, Sea Viper, Mudbray, Magikarp, Pansear, Krogunk, Togedemaru, Pansear, and Porygon Z. Woo woo. Alright. Evolution. See, man, this is why I don't open the packs. Come on, man.
See, man.
See, man. See. We pull a 3 on this one. Pull 3 on this one. See. See, man. This is it right here. We're going in. 3. Do it. Ah. Oh. What is that damage right there? That's a good one. Alright. Trainer. Coughing. Trader. Growlithe. Machop. Nidoran. Ponyta. Drowsy. Sparkly Vulpix. We've seen that one. And a Farfetch'd. Man. What kind of Duke is this? Alright, you're looking at it. Ain't much of nothing. Who are we doing over here? Let's open Espeon real quick. All this packaging for what? Alright. Unified Minds. Espeon and Eevee in there. Hello. Got the self-checkout lane at the Target. Alright, we got a banger in here. Alright, so we picked up the Umbreon one. And we went back for this one. Just so they would match. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy. Blaine's Quiz Show. Oranguru. Weakness Guard Energy. Hoo Hoo. Carablast. Honage. Pika P. P-Dove. Seattle. And a Lightbird. Trash. The trash. Doom, 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 doom.
I don't have open too many of the Unified Minds. Let's get something cool, man.
Come on, man.
That's 3, 4. This is pack number 5. Come on.
Come on, man. Come on. Ha! Got him. This is it. I feel this one. One, two, three, 4. Flip them boys. Energy, Pokemon Research Lab, Lumineon, Normalium Z, Pikachu, P-Dove, Poipole, Numel, Exu, Axel. Dude, if I see one more Scrafty do gotta go. We got to go. Alright. Alright, packed with Pokemon treasures. Doon, 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 doon.
Pokemon! Gotta catch 'em all! You ain't catching
I know it's my
Catching
destiny.
something on the park bench is what you're catching.
On the park bench. Y'all don't know anything about that park bench yet, do you? Nope. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Oh, Choder Chew, Choder Char, Choder, yeah, the Choder Duo. Alright, open it up. Oh man, this one's all dented up.
Dang, you didn't even notice that. It's okay, we'll push it out from the inside.
Alright, who do we got up in here first? Let's see. Cinderace, Shiny Inteleon, and a Rillaboom. Okay. Well, Charizard coin in that one. Okay, at least that one's different. I don't know what kind of trash this is. Alright, so open up in here. We got Sword and Shield, Vivid Voltage. Alright, 5 packs all day. Looks like we got some stickers. Some more stickers. More stickers. More stickers. And a pad. That'll be good for a grocery list. And that looks like, yeah, a little folio. Alright. Dented up box. Alright. Let's get some of this junk out the way. See the spread. Oop. We got Sword and Shield. Burning Shadows. Sun and Moon. And 2 Vivid Voltage. Alright. Oh. Peeping out that code there. Alright, so let's see. Let's do this Sword and Shield one. Save them Vivid Voltage for last. Cheebs, you gonna do this one. Alright. That's Cheebs in the bag. This is his channel. I'm Onisan. And coming through with some Sword and Shield here. Come on, man. We got to get a banger out of this little haul here. We got nothing shiny, nothing full art, anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Energy, Thwacky, Pokemon Catcher, Drizzle, Roselia, Choodle, Blipbug, Rhyhorn, Clobbopus, Scorbunny, and Trainer Team Yell Grunt. Grunt, grunt, grunt.
Nice.
Okay, there we go.
Was that a full art trainer card? Awesome.
All right. Sun and Moon, round 2. All right. Maybe this is the banger. Maybe this is the God box. It's a God box! It's a God box! 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip them boys. Energy, Rainbow Energy, Trumbeak, Hypno, Eevee, Crabrawler, Marini, Alolan Diglett, Dewpider, Shiinotic, and Hariyama. Burning Shadows. Two, three, 4. Energy, Charmeleon, Whirlipede, Wobbuffet, Hoot Hoot, Rhyhorn, Ralts, Tangela, Tynamo, Reverse Hollow Charmander, and Slowking. Charmander was cool. Alright. This is going to round me out here. And then Chiefs is going to come in for the finale with that banger and that Pikachu Vivid Voltage. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 in this one.
Yep.
Alright. Energy. Moo Moo Cheese. Duat. Fairthorn. Arakudo. Nincada. Picky Peck. Poochyena. Rockruff. Chimico. And Talonflame. Dun 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 dun. That's the V.
Nice.
Dun 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 dun. We don't have that one. Alright. Switching them out.
But I didn't get nothing out of this one. Last pack magic didn't happen. That was in that one.
No, that was in that one.
That was in that one right here. Last pack right here of this little haul from Target. Started off slow, ended pretty well, I thought. The full art trainer card and the Talon V. Apparently it's supposed to be pretty good in the game. So let's finish with some last pack magic right here for the finish. Energy, Opal, B. Oh, she's pretty. Dewat, a Woobat, Aracuda, C-Dot, Fanpea, Shuppet, a Reverse Hollow Alistair, and a Mudsdale. Yep. Yep. Okay, then. That's going to do it for this opening here. We did get a couple nice pulls, I believe. Nice, very nice Team Yo Grunt. full art trainer. Put an energy attached to one of your opponent's Pokemon into their hand. I'm not for sure how good that is in game, but we had fun. Hopefully you guys did too. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Leave us a comment down below of what you want us to open up next. We'll catch you guys next time.